EagleRidge, trusted roofing contractor for Antelope Island. EagleRidge is the trusted roofing contractor serving Antelope Island, Utah, and the surrounding 84075 area. With over 20 years of experience, we provide comprehensive roofing services for both residential and commercial clients, ensuring top-quality results and exceptional customer care. We specialize in roof installations, repairs, replacements, and maintenance, offering a variety of roofing materials like asphalt shingles, metal, and flat roofing systems. Whether you're looking for a new roof, need repairs, or want a reliable inspection, our team is here to help with fast and efficient service. For residential customers, we offer services such as new roof installation, roof repairs, and maintenance, including storm damage assessments and gutter repairs. Our experts can also install energy-efficient features like ice and water shields, soffits, and ventilation systems. For commercial clients, EagleRidge offers a range of services designed to ensure the longevity and durability of your roof, including commercial roof installations, flat roofing solutions, and the EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan for preventative maintenance. We also provide roof coatings, metal roofing systems, and swamp cooler installations for commercial buildings. Our reputation for excellent craftsmanship, attention to detail, and use of high-quality materials has made EagleRidge the go-to roofing contractor for property owners in Antelope Island. We pride ourselves on clear communication and transparent pricing, ensuring every project meets the highest standards. Call us today at 801-784-1457 and visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to learn more about how we can help with all your roofing needs in Antelope Island.